In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize FPS in League of Legends. We're going to focus on a few quick in-game settings that can make a big difference to your frame rate, especially if you're on older hardware or you just want the smoothest possible competitive experience. Start by logging into an actual match. This can be a practice tool or a custom game, anything that gets you onto the Rift. The reason we do this in-game is that some video options only apply or appear once you've loaded in, and you'll get a more accurate sense of performance while your champion, minions, and effects are active. Once you're in, open the Settings menu. The fastest way is to press the Escape key, then head to the Video tab. This is where all the visual performance controls live. Look for the Graphics Quality bar, sometimes shown as a slider with presets. Click and drag that all the way down to the lowest setting. This reduces textures, shadows, and post-processing effects to their minimal levels. The benefit is simple. Your system has less visual work to do, which frees up resources for more frames per second. The game will look simpler, but you'll likely feel an immediate boost in responsiveness and smoothness. Next, scroll to the Advanced section within the video settings. Here you'll find two options that are especially important: anti-aliasing and VSync. Turn anti-aliasing off. Anti-aliasing smooths jagged edges to make things look cleaner, but it costs GPU power. Disabling it cuts that overhead so frames render faster. You might see slightly sharper or more jagged edges on some lines, but the trade-off is worth it for performance. Now turn VSync off. VSync synchronizes the game's frames with your monitor's refresh rate to prevent tearing, but it can cap your FPS and add input latency. With it off, your FPS is free to go higher, and your controls can feel snappier. Be aware you might notice occasional screen tearing, which is a quick horizontal split in motion. For most competitive players, the extra responsiveness outweighs that visual compromise. That's the core setup: lowest graphics quality, anti-aliasing off, and VSync off. These changes are quick, safe, and give you the biggest performance uplift without digging into anything complicated. League typically applies these settings immediately. If a confirmation appears, just approve it. Take a moment to move around, throw an ability, and pan the camera. You should feel smoother motion and faster input. If you ever want a bit more visual fidelity later, you can nudge the graphics bar up slightly and find your personal balance. For now, enjoy the extra frames and more responsive gameplay. Your champion will thank you.